So coming to the next problem, we have 1 mole of an ideal monochromatic gas is heated in a closed container. First, from 273 to 303 Kelvin. So it is from 273 to final 303 Kelvin. Next, and then from 303 Kelvin to 373 Kelvin. So it is of 2 steps, step 1 and step 2. Right? And we need to find the net change in the entropy in the terms of R. Right? So first, we already know that as it is happening in a closed container or closed chamber, so volume will remain constant. So dq is equal to, you can write Cv dt, and ds is equal to dq by t, then Cv dt by t, right? So if we can integrate, so it will we have S means S equal finals means entropy of the final minus initial, then Cv, then temperature initial minus temperature final dt by t. So here S can be delta S is composed of 2 steps, that is S1 and S2, right? So for S1 we can write Cv Ti by Tf dt by dt for this step 1 for the 1. Similarly for 2 we can write Cv similar way Ti by Tf into dt by t. So if we can integrate, we can write that for ln Tf by Ti, for it is for 1, means 1 step 1 process, and then for step 2 process we can similarly write that Tf by Ti for the step 2 process, right? So from here we can write that Cv will be constant. So ln Tf for the first state is final is 303 and it is 273, plus for the next step it is ln 373 by 303, right? So if we multiply it, so 303 into 273 into 373 by 303, right? So we will have Cv equal to ln 373 by 273 Cv. We know Cv equal to 3 by 2 R, right? So we can explain, we can derive the final expression like 3 by 2 R into ln 373 by 273. If we calculate, then it will come 0.47 R, right? So rounded for the 2 places of decimal, we can have the answer of 0.47 R, right? Hope you have understood the problem. So thanks a lot.